Asem yidiko, asem yidika.
Inna beka.
Akwesi insia.
Commander 6.
Kano seni etie.
Yenkwa ne wagu kodro ewo boni die ye betimi aka ne sene etie. Yenkwa ne ebeka ma abofu nso yenyew. Yenkwa ne ebeka ma wate ho ase on se baby. Baby ewo yenkwa die sinto wom. Yensu ya fam die no. Ene si ebehwe akire. Ni ato ye net ne wide. Atwe mpanifo adwen se bibi so ese baabi a modi ye kwai die ye ye adubunu mu tie sori wakamfa nyira na so ye pomani ye pomani kanko ye pomani puntuo ne edimu tintima ye pa yo mana somdwie trobi etu anamo obetimi aka bi amna haga na somdwie a eni kwa so otena na ye dindo sa sho dem refem sam de emfa me ho. Kasa when things are bad, Babasu when things are good. And your mind chichriye. And yes, somebody when people near your mama Bible ye bianye. And yes, somebody when this city near your mama Bible ye biaye. You best say your mind. Who yendi si na se bone koswa. Sichire wo si na ka chompen for say, hey! You wait till I can afford to abama ye. O young people na the papa koswa baba na baso then you cry self for no timi nya ne more come see the challenge of today say president ma resolve here the next president that will come no on the side is the same challenge ba wa amanyo sema du mu dem amana fa ni padwie mu nyina firi osuro bepa wo fo muti no. You see no evil, you hear no evil. Bibi be chia krebu abemne pa be kan wasem a na bofu sa adetire ma abaye kan wasem me an kan wa abaye wasem wa wasaman na ekoka. You sit on the rot. Think it will be free service of Yamaye. That's why the Pena Maker said that Brim Central MC no issue na ban. The government of the day as a matter of agency. Here to one among. Say I'm passing no crest say abandon seen no edge galam say for some sikam 15,000 Ghana cedis. Nah. Yen hwehwe ne ende. Me a transfer fasua na fisha watrim fisha du sia dwenu nan etini akobo nipa kokko adu. Abre betimi a 7 ne ye. It is no kra. Minister for Lands and Natural Resources. Local government minister. It's better so much one among a year. Say no cresse. Abandon city your Brem Central. Meche achieve that constituency. What you galam say for some to come 15,000 Ghana cedis. Ye no so ye nyaman to so nyina dwuma. No to be praying pon ne man for kan ko ne mpuntuo. Me di akwesi si asem ni kabre na adu sei. Ye fana seke se kuma Kingdom Herbal Center. Wona ko fa Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom Garlic Capsules ya badwaso. Mesra wa da duru betimi aboawo. Ama ogina na so ye eno no. Obi o se ana se achimpa cho ana se nye nipa. Yare ne wo nyina se ne ma asa no na no ayi tititi ye se. Moja timi ni afusane enu wonom. Untiri no emu asisi. Unya Kingdom Garlic Bitters ana se Kingdom Garlic Capsules. Ne timi asane mu. Ama moja na timi de afusane ye pa. Fanya akude na di agrosa stroke ene bon kaye no anjujua de bebu agu onom pe kingdom do pa bi eto or the new kingdom je say park am so aba we me madru ye be man ye onda from setting adabrijo bam ye ka ba bi enka Mr. Bem wodro no new kingdom je say park capsules o ma ba bi eto do bi akwa so be ka bi ato na Sarah Pacho mame parliament videos ni bi nye speaker de no mame raw one no ahenti yamra hye oje fiem enie na assembly koso ya ayawreho enye nne na sad we start way back somewhere 20 it can even predate 2010 but any him say bresha say kan one asem ye pa ma me banfo the first speaker of parliament female speaker of parliament ya Ghana nyaye na abreso na share say nya sa complaints pa say MPs in town parliament. And then the same thing in na AC. And then the same thing in na AC. The National Democratic Congress ekuta over 180 members of parliament. But ye come say your film see kwa akodi djuma. Ye nya numbers ko betimi aform quorum. Because NP before they say nya me kwa the fair and came say and this vocal guomu of parliament. It's about one from 88 to 87 Hey 169 137 87 MPP for so na money. E don't matter I'm going to say I'm person no more come count class say. Cause I'm ready on member this omni baby akọ. Omni baby akọ. Tell no also ro jari a parliament aro ba betina. Minister be no ko no akọ project. Over 180 MPs on the side of one political party. You come and say you feel more number 70 me for the quorum cry. Am ye dia tena na say you for dwumadi so cry. Ye ntimi nya. Nano metese obi ka say. And ye MPs ni akwakoyo ministers. Pato president mama ministers o me say. President mama ministers. And nanu ya kra we mu mienu efri mu yi. Ye fa bi kra nhemu. If the start no atimi apa say 58 kra na one number say 56. 56 so you free ba be say 180 ni mu a aka say 180 minus 56 124 MPs no more. Now another argument comes up. You compare projects about your constituencies. Then I ask myself, as a member of parliament, hey, Oduma, is it your duty to move from ministry to ministry? Some projects I'm in crop for. But it's because your local governance system, no, I say, at the minister, no, think, no, what would this see, you know? And the MC and DC doing Yakukodro and co-minister him and co-print to man crop for. Because as of mine, you say your local governance system, no. And they are not for fake. Yanya mamoni fan free form, yanya mamoni fan, but mamoni free so never. Na kede no bi aya suma se koye e man ga na wa mamra odwuma. Se ba so ne free me office. E koye kwa brani adwuma de amano. Do we need members of parliament to move to ministries? Some could solicit for development and say and say to me akana. Then what will be the reason for appointing minister for roads and highways? What will be the reason for appointing minister for food and agriculture? What will be the reason for appointing all the sector ministers? If so, as a members of parliament, son bad now so as an upper man Crawford, they said to me, who can say lobbying? What kind of lobbying? What kind of lobbying? It's a memono sa shepan da kwemu and the shepan egu akwemu ebu o minor. Yenim see ya santima mpon kwan ababesia. In suta for eba betwam so. Why should the suta member of parliament move to roads and highways ministry? As I said to me akane kwan. But yen shishi egu akwemu nyina nye papa. We are building our nation on partisan politics. It akwa say wonni ma fa wo ma fa kwa me party na say unyam hu ni pa me feel da. What kind of nation are we building? And now bosu mi aso MP so ma parliament ni obebaji na katwa obi no katwa bete so obi enu na katwa hwe ma hwe ye fiem e den ye fa nipa 276 e wo inside perimeter. Hwe nipa ete hwe nkonya ye empty esiso omu nyina boso mi aso obi abaji na katwa omu nyina enkonya ye empty nyina obi abaji na katwa eto no koma se dwefu wantena ho wante de okota bete ye wante hwe kakra so ekọ so obona ya da se tam te komone form ho because ye Ghana for ye shouldn't demand accountability for free and penny for change. The only time you see a Ghanaian demanding for accountability, I said me what party A, na party B, one bastard, na me push say, what about your own party? Or may I to be sure when you can crime function? How do you expect to develop? And what a man for cannot go Singapore, are we willing to sacrifice the way Singapore and sacrifice Nana? The answer is no. You must be a brea and we expect a good resource. It took UK Parliament and young fair. And it also good some man penny ever machine your few more, and I'm going to say your photo doing in about Bonum. And I think I see about passing and your budget and machine your photo doing in Akuo. Satan don't compare a project ever mam grow for. Because of the partisan nature we're building our nation. It's in there. MP somewhere on sitting empty. Opa mene, my finance minister, Emra so can budget. Uber calling Nina. You could play politics. You could play politics in Tio. Yemani Nina, a tuman no see it to me, Emma Mutimi at the Honum. No, and you bet me a passing bill be a near Savage Ponting, and say complaining. Sir, I'm Speaker of Parliament. Cocobono the man. Tiasma, I'm not sure your film charming here. And the two about MPs no absenteeism.
Before usually I commence proceedings, I always take account of those present. I'm not happy with the situation. I did indicate from the very beginning of this meeting that I have the records of attendance for the first meeting and the second meeting. I decided for good reason not to publish them, but to give you the last opportunity. It looks like that is a catastrophic mistake I made. I should have brought it out and referred members to the Privileges Committee. I thought that was not a good way to start this third meeting. But it's like that's encouraged members not to be present. I'm saying this for the last time. I've given directive to the clerks at table to take the records for this meeting. And please, we have the standing orders. We know what they say. We'll be taking action to make sure that we compel members to sit or to be considered to have vacated their seats. This matter, I will say no more.
Eti Right Honorable Adman Kings for Sumana Bagbin, Speaker of Parliament, I don't know. And with all due respect, Speaker, cautious not dorsal. Maybe it's also because the leadership of the House won't take any drastic action be against some of these MPs. Maybe you guys are not, maybe I won't take enough actions against them. Then you can say MPs back come me and say be illusion because of sad way ya. E ka to atwa dada. We also don't want to believe say the partisan politics ni be the be speaker muntino say NDs ni ya want me nka MPP ni ya want me nka. See a Jew man who ye paid no bit some message film na 15 continuous days on come message film or for excuse you to be anchor ye. But so so ni atie wotom sika ni atie de kasika say be na chance ade no. Na Ghana dwumani na tie fie na fodu no mu a. And one for reason papa bi anko de tia ontimi kwa dwuma e ka bi bento no adwuma. Is it because quote unquote your members of parliament no say we are superhumans e che ye Ghana for na yakanana. A simple simple wohwe na otimi nya adwuma na resign obia for so and ade ba koye me time wo parliamentary primaries me man for the same obose be dey and a man for the same bra. If you can't do the work, simple. Vacate the seat. We did your questions here. You for the second come Kingdom Herbal Center. Over the Kingdom Galley Beaters, Kingdom Galley Caps, best way as in no payments reward. It's soon san no nanwa yetiti. O town dear grow stroke ya dear and eban cholesterol coxua and a bed body woni pedrium. When ya Kingdom Gallic Bitters, Kingdom Gallic Capsules ni be no more. Or Chitembu the one mouth say 19 and 83. Stroke ya den and wajimuno. New Kingdom just say power capsules ya medro. Bema sem pat wabo da bridge. Ojo me bia enye wadru ni. O me bia ton do bia kwa se ka bi atom ne so yasne. Em ya de asemi de kadwumadie. Ebro me de akwasi inse de pese mu etoaso.